Getting started with UView Plus on your Roku device is simple. Follow these quick steps and you'll be watching your favorite TV channels in no time. Begin by turning on your TV and Roku device. You must first set up a Roku account. You can start this process on your Roku device. During your device setup, Roku will display a code on your TV and email you a link to finish the account creation and device activation on your smartphone or computer. Once this is complete, choose the Home button on your remote. From the Roku home screen, use your remote to navigate the menu. Scroll down to the Streaming Store and press OK. This opens your Roku streaming store where you can add new apps. Navigate down to the Search option and press OK. Start typing in UView. When the UView app appears to the right, highlight it and press OK. Select the Add App to install the UView app to your Roku. You can now open the UView app or you can return home. Once you're on your home screen, navigate down until you locate the UView app. Highlight it and choose the asterisk icon or the Options button on your remote. This will give you the option to move your UView app to the top of the home page. Launch the UView Plus app. Enter your Venture Communications username and password. If you're not sure what your login is, contact our customer experience team. We're always happy to help. After signing in, explore your live channels, browse the guide, and watch the shows you love. Switch channels, view program info, and access your favorites, all with your Roku remote. And that's it. UView Plus on Roku gives you a simple, reliable way to enjoy TV throughout your home. Venture Communications, bringing you the best local service and modern streaming.